Okay, so, hey guys.
We're setting her phone up.
Alright.
Joe, you want to post this on YouTube?
Yeah, I'm gonna post it on YouTube.
Okay. So there's gonna be, like, more,
We have kinetic sand.
yeah.
And it's not a satisfying video because I'm not sure if some of you guys like it.
Okay,
But we're just gonna be playing with kinetic sand.
Okay, I want to show them.
Play kinetic sand with us, guys. It's not on camera.
I know, I need it too. Be quiet, Zoe.
No. What if?
Oh my gosh, yes. I think that would do.
There we go. Look, guys.
But I'm not on camera. You need to, like, do it right here.
Okay, just not far away.
Like,
In the middle.
no, like, right here.
That's too far away.
Yeah, so I could do both of us. Yeah. I'm doing a satisfying. Sorry. Probably because of the lunch.
We're gonna film part 2 of the ghost story
Yeah.
Either Sunday.
Yeah. Either Sunday or
Monday.
or Monday or
Or
Friday.
whenever we make it.
Yeah. Or someday.
Someday.
Yeah.
Someday.
That's
We can't do it on Saturday because I'm going to a movie.
Yeah, that's sad.
Yeah, only if you had more time to fit in making that. My sister doesn't
Feel good?
feel good, so we're not gonna film it today.
Yeah.
We're gonna film it on Sunday.
Sunday.
Or on Saturday if we have time.
Hey!
You have a lot.
That's true. I'm making a mountain, guys. I want them to see our mountains.
Mine is Mount Everest, and that is Mount Rushmore.
No, mine is Mount Kisses.
TJ.
Kisses.
Mount
So this is a purple kiss, actually. I like how it melts. See, look. I like that. It's so satisfying. Kinetic sand is my favorite thing ever. Hey Zoe, did you know if you get honey and you put it in a cup and you put it in the freezer, it like makes a gummy?
Weird.
What?
Because I don't like honey that much, but I like peanut butter and honey sandwiches. I could have made a peanut butter
Oh my gosh.
and honey sandwich today, but instead it had leftover pasta.
Yeah, the leftover pasta was so good.
It was really good. Imagine we just had leftovers from Thanksgiving.
Oh my gosh, that'd be so gross.
That would be really gross, yeah.
Cause the mashed potatoes.
No, those mashed potatoes weren't from Thanksgiving. They were from that one night.
No, it was from Thanksgiving. The one with the bacon.
Oh yeah, that was burnt bacon.
Yeah.
All the leftovers are gone from
Yeah.
Thanksgiving.
Yeah. But the whipped cream stuff for breakfast was.
Oh yeah, the whipped cream stuff for breakfast was so good.
You should have tried it with chocolate syrup.
Well, I wasn't given the option for chocolate syrup.
Oh.
It was either caramel or butterscotch. I
Well,
wish I could have chose butterscotch. Butterscotch is good.
I know. Good.
I like it on my ice cream.
Whoa. 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 I'm gonna.
We need to show our things on camera more.
Oh yeah.
Come on, let's get all the sand over
Wait.
here.
Wait, I need this. Sorry, guys. So, watch this. This is another cup for us, okay?
Okay.
Oh, dang it.
What?
The thing for this to let it go out is in there.
There we go. Now I have a lot.
Hey!
What? TJ, you have more.
Oh, sorry. Here. I took that much. What? I took that much. I seriously did. I feel... Where is my dad?
Your dad's at work.
What? That makes no sense.
Yeah,
Because he never got back from his date with Gabby, right? Like,
Well, he
Duh.
probably got back when it was late at night.
yeah, that makes sense. And he actually gets up before me.
Way before.
Yeah.
He gets up at like 5.
5 in the night, yeah. 5:50 or 5:40 or 5.
What's up with all of like the 30s, like 5:30?
I know.
Like be there at 5:30.
7.
Imagine someone just like be there at 7:15. That would make me. Hey TJ, stop covering the camera.
Sorry.
TJ, stop.
Sorry.
Dang it.
Sorry.
I dropped all of the toys.
And
Let me go get them.
Ooh,
Oh my gosh.
I just had an idea, guys.
Oh my god, that's so dumb. That is, oh no, because then a video would be sideways.
Oh, yeah. Ha. Okay, yeah.
Oh my god. Just let me get all the toys so we can play with them.
Okay. I need this.
I'm stuck. Okay, no, I'm not.
Did you know if you put enough of this in here?
Where the heck? Okay, it's over there.
Watch. And you put it like that, okay? Watch. Joe,
I'm
look.
getting the toy.
No, you're not. You're just laying there.
It was way far down there.
Watch.
See, I have it.
Watch. So.
What are you doing?
It's coming out. Right?
I didn't see anything. Oh, it's starting to, yeah.
It's raining. Hey?
No, it's gonna get everywhere.
Watch. I faced that at me so they could see. Oh my gosh, this Zoe!
TJ, it's falling everywhere. We were trying not to get a bunch of kinetic sand on the floor.
Sorry. This is taking forever.
Oh, now you can finally use the cups.
No, oh yeah. I totally forgot. Okay. I so forgot about the cups. Now we have some kinetic sand so we could get it. See? We got the same amount. Hi, Auntie.
Hi, Mom.
Ooh, I got an idea. So look. So look. Oh my gosh. What? I wonder what we're. Hey, I wonder.
No, TJ.
I wonder what we're gonna do for part 2.
For part 2 of the ghost story.
Yeah.
Yeah. That is a mystery, and we're not telling you.
Yeah, because it's gonna be a video.
It's gonna be a video. And I'm trying to figure out how to turn comments on. I realized that was kind of a thing.
So look. Watch. I want to show them, okay? Guys, I'm going to have a purple cup. See? Whoa. Wait, hold on. Ho. Ho, ho, ho.
Hold on.
I like how kinetic sand looks. That's the only, and it feels like sand that you could have in home.
Yeah.
Like
You don't need to bring sand from the lake or the beach.
Yeah, like you just buy it from a store. Like all you need to do is get sand.
I think kinetic sand is made from real sand.
I know. That's what I was about to say. For the comments down below.
No, I actually don't know how to turn on the comments, so people can't comment on my videos. I'm gonna figure out how to turn it on.
It's raining.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos.
It's gonna rain.
Don't need to
Actually, it's
ask
actually
why.
gonna
Just
rain.
open your mouth and
Watch.
close your eyes. It's raining kinetic sand. That wasn't on camera. Dang it.
Dang! You want to get it on camera?
Yeah, just let me move my stuff and put it right there. Hey, Mom.
Hi.
How are you doing?
We're
Good.
just making a video.
And we're playing kinetic sand.
Okay.
It's raining kinetic sand.
Oh my! That was so cool.
It's raining
Raining kinetic sand. Oh my god.
No, the camera keeps falling.
Okay, hold it. Okay.
It's raining kinetic sand. It's raining kinetic sand from out of the sky.
Stop, Zoe.
TJ, don't make the screen all black.
Okay.
It's raining kinetic
sand.
sand from out of the sky.
Zoe, look.
Kinetic sand.
Oh, I could give it back here.
Thank you.
Okay. Here.
TJ, you have so much more than I do.
I know. Here. Here. That's all I'm giving you.
Hey, viewers, serious face challenge. Go.
I can't. Scoot your head.
TJ laughs whenever he sees my serious face. Okay, I think that's enough minutes, so
I
see you
know.
guys, bye.